Welcome to the lecture, Health Insurance When Living Abroad. Your immigration status has a lot to do with your health insurance here while living in Mexico. This course is written and based on living in Mexico on the 6-month visitor's visa.
Now, here are the new policy details about living or moving to Mexico. The temporary residency visa is for anyone planning on staying in Mexico for more than 180 days, but less than 4 years. This visa is approved for 1 year and renewed for 1 to 3 years. After 4 years maximum, you must apply for a permanent residence visa if you wish to stay in Mexico. Once you have been approved for your temporary residence visa, you will present the sticker in your passport to immigration upon arrival in Mexico. It is crucial. They do not stamp your passport as a tourist with 180 days. They will advise you to report to immigration within 30 days of arrival in Mexico to complete the process. So based upon all of this information, what you must know is that you begin the process in your home state or your home country. It is best not to leave the country while your temporary residency is being processed within the country of Mexico. They will provide you with additional details. These laws are subject to change at any time.
Because most of us are not legal residents of Mexico, we can't take advantage of the inexpensive healthcare packages available. Medicare doesn't cover individuals outside of the United States. Many expats create medical savings accounts, buy travel insurance.
For example, there is a new travel medical insurance company that digital nomads, long-term travelers, and even expats are using. It is dependable, affordable, and easy to implement travel and medical insurance online. It also covers COVID-19. A direct link with a special discount is in the resource section of this lecture or in the description below the video. You can enroll online from anywhere in the world and cancel at any time. Check out the website for the details.
In Puerto Vallarta, the doctor's offices are usually attached or located right next to the pharmacy store. I might add here that the pharmacy medication is very, very inexpensive. You can walk right into the doctor's office and be seen quickly. The cost is around $30 and sometimes less.